Hey, here's a quick tip on turning notifications off. Before your Zoom class, it's really good to just turn off notifications. It sounds so much more professional. And so here I am on a MacBook Pro. So for Mac, you would go to System Preferences, Notifications. From here, the top option on the left-hand side is Do Not Disturb. This is the easiest way. You put from and then put your class time. So whenever you know that you're going to be in a meeting earlier in the day, just go to Do Not Disturb and then turn off notifications. The other option is if, let's say, you get notifications from your email, you could go directly to email the mail service that you use, like Gmail or Mail, and then click Allow Notifications and just turn it off. So I know Zoom will give you notifications. You do want, for your Zoom notifications, you do want to be able to see if someone sends you a message in Zoom, but you don't need it to have a sound alert. So I would recommend turning that off. And, anything that like messages, these are all Facebook, those kinds of things. Just turn off notifications so you're not getting that buzz all the time. So that's what I would recommend for that. The other thing I would recommend highly is also turning off notifications on your cell phone. So for that, you can just do a Google for your cell phone, what kind you have, or if you have a Windows, you can do a Google search for how to turn notifications off. Because it is important. Even if it vibrates, that might interrupt your call or your focus. And so it's a really quick thing to prep before class to make sure notifications are turned off.